I probably received 2 or 3 phone calls every day from people who have never sued anyone, who have never been injured in any way before, who want to talk to me about medical malpractice claims. They all start out the same. They all want to assure me that they've never sued anyone before, they've never thought of suing anyone before, and that they're not the kind of person who would sue anyone. Medical malpractice cases are a different breed than any other kind of insurance coverage case, because in your typical auto accident or homeowner's claim, the insurance company calls the shots. They decide what the claim is worth, whether it's worth it for them to pay the claim or not. Those rules really don't apply in medical malpractice claims, because the doctor has the right under the policy to refuse consent. Now, the problem with this is that anytime a doctor consents to a settlement, that is reported to the Arizona Medical Board and it goes on the doctor's permanent record. So, unless you have a severe catastrophic medical malpractice claim, the doctor, regardless of how experienced or knowledgeable the lawyer is and the likelihood of the lawyer for the injured client winning the case, the doctor has no reason to consent, and you're going to go to trial. Medical malpractice lawsuits are really an imperfect solution to a much larger problem. The much larger problem is medical malpractice by physicians, hospitals, and other healthcare providers. But every time that there is medical malpractice does not mean that someone can bring a claim. The biggest problem with these cases is the enormous time and expense that is involved in a medical malpractice claim. It's not unusual for me to spend $75,000, $100,000 or more to prosecute a medical malpractice claim. And only cases where there is a catastrophic permanent injury, only those cases are severe enough to justify that kind of expense. I've been representing people who have been injured in Arizona for over 35 years. As a result, I've been listed in Best Lawyers in America, named a Southwest Super Lawyer, and elected as president of the Arizona Trial Lawyers Association. If you've been catastrophically injured as a result of someone else's negligence, you owe it to yourself to please give me a call.